Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Chandler, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move takes place over a long distance of over more than 50 miles. 3 Movers is well-versed in various road systems for long-distance travel. We use the most efficient and safest ways to move your possessions, and our moving trucks are of the highest caliber, and they can easily transport a wide range of items of varying weights over great distances. Our employees are trustworthy and conscientious when dealing with your valuables. They protect your belongings from harm and keep them separate, and our drivers have long-distance driving permits, so you can count on them to deliver your items on time. Moving within a 50-mile radius is considered a local move. In Chandler, Indiana, local moving services are also available from 3 Movers, and our local movements are quick, but they're also quite meticulous. Our movers work hard to guarantee that all of your possessions arrive on schedule at your new address. Locals are an excellent source of information about us. They are familiar with our local moving services since we have worked with them in the past. It is given that they will suggest us based on their favorable experiences with our local removals. We also provide people in Chandler, Indiana with affordable access to high-quality services. Our moving labor costs are pretty low. We charge $30 to $40 an hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Chandler moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.